Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Age of Lorraine, if you didn't know. So today's video is going to be kind of like a short mini vlog of what I do as an entrepreneur, a small business, and why not kind of just like film what I do today. Yeah, today is a lot of things I have to do. If I sound tired, that's because I'm so tired. Like, your girl was trying to catch on some Z's but literally couldn't, so I said why not just get up. Yeah, I actually put up a poll of what people want to see, packaging orders or business tips, and a lot of people said packaging orders, so that's what I'm going to do today. So it's going to be a mini vlog and packaging orders today. So if you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and let's start this video. So I do have a lot of stuff. This is all the stuff that I'm going to unpack because I have a lot of lip glosses to make and a lot of things I have to pack orders with. So yeah, I actually did run to Target to get some boxes, and yeah guys, I'm so excited to like pack these orders because I've just been waiting and waiting for all my things to come, but I'm so happy. And I want to show you guys the lip glosses for my private labeling. So a lot of people order these lipsticks to sample with. So basically, when you want to sample a lipstick, we only do lipsticks, so you just sample these. We give you like a sample. We tell you mix or specific lipsticks, because mix, we just send you either one, but with specific ones it might take a while because it's most likely that we don't have it. Okay, but this is how it looks out the box. This color is everything. This is number 7, and basically, if you like the sample, you could always imprint your logo. So that means you could imprint it on the lipstick and also on the box. You guys are going to see me unbox these, and yeah guys, there's so many things to do, but your girl is going to get through this, okay, together forever. So yeah guys, watch me unpack these, and yeah. So y'all, I got these for my lip glosses so they won't get, you know, break or anything. It kind of like holds them in together. So like, as an example, these are really, this is a really pretty color. I think they had it in white or something, but I really want it in pink, or like this is kind of like pinkish reddish. So everything, it's not really a lot, like that big box like literally was just, girl. But yeah, so that is it. Okay guys, so I just got done taking pictures of the tubes, so basically giving y'all a sneak peek of what's about to come for y'all. And then I just got done printing out the packing slips. I'm not gonna show you the front because it obviously has their addresses. So yeah, everything is going to be shipped either on Friday or Saturday, but most likely Saturday. Just want to make sure that everyone's orders is, you know, packaged and stuff like that. I am about to basically set up and get the lip glosses ready because I have to make lip glosses for these jars, because a customer did purchase 2 lip gloss jars and brown sugar and snatched, I believe. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm also going to make lip gloss for my new collection, which I'm so excited. But yeah babes, I am so tired, but like I'm just kind of getting into the groove. But yeah guys, my skin looks so good. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, what are you doing? Follow me on Instagram, and if you're ready to start your business with us, come start your business. We literally help you slay on a budget. And yeah, so make sure you guys check out our website. Everything will be linked in the description box, and I'll show you guys me filling up the jars and things like that. So yeah. Okay, so this is currently my setup. So right now I'm only focusing on the lip gloss jars, so that's why there's not really much. Y'all, look at my lip gloss jars. Isn't it so cute? Like, I love it so much. 8 ounces, which is great, and it's only $14.99. I'm actually very excited because I really want to fill these up and like see people think about them. So I think these are just a great way, especially to get started on your business. Like, y'all, this is so cute. It's called the Glossy Jar. Okay guys, I look so disgusted, but done with my wholesale orders. These are so cute. This one is brown sugar, as you guys saw, and it says the Glossy Jar, and this is the 8 ounce. And yeah, this is how it look, guys. I really love it, and this is like a great fall color, like a really great fall shade. I do recommend that you guys try this out. And then our boss babe also ordered the Glossy Jar and Snatched. But yeah, so this is how it looks. It looks so freaking bomb, and y'all, I really love my shades. All of my shades are cruelty free, pigmented, and non-sticky. Guys, a sneak peek of our new collection, and this is so perfect for the holidays, which I was going for. So this is how it looks. Yes, that's how she looks. I love it in this go-to because it really complements like everything about it. And like, look, so that's how it looks. Packaging is always key, and I feel like this is just a great way for your customers to just be like, wow, like I want this, like it looks expensive. And if you guys want to sample my lip glosses, I'll just put it in the link in the description. But if you guys want to see like a weekly vlog, then I'll definitely do that, because your girl has just been like working and, you know, that influencer life. So I would love to show you guys that. But I'm about to pack these orders, and yeah. Okay guys, so the first one I'm going to pack is the Diamond Lipstick Collection sample, and she ordered one. It's this. These are our samples. I'm just going to give her number 26. This is how it looks. Y'all, this is so beautiful. I know she's going to love it. It's like a soft pink, and yeah, when she orders wholesale, she could definitely imprint her logo onto the packaging and onto the product as well. And then I'm just going to put it in here. And then I'm going to highlight the quantity that she got. And then our thank you stickers, our thank you cards. That's how it looks. It's so freaking bomb. Like, it says thank you. We hope You like the items inside? Continue being the boss that you are and slay queen. Thank you for your order. And that is number 1. Okay guys, so the next one, our boss babe wanted the Diamond Luxe Lipstick Collection sample and our 25mm lash sample, and this is number 1. Show her 2 number 1s, and yeah, so is again the lipsticks. Everyone loves our Diamond Luxe collection. I mean, I don't blame them. This is in number 23, and this is how this one looks. Oh my god, this one's so beautiful. And then these are the 25mm lashes that she sampled, and again I'm gonna just put it in here. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It looks so cute. And I need to make sure I write the order number because I am a forgetter. And our thank you cards. Just to be like, thank you. I need to get one that says like, be your own boss, you know? Or thank you, boss babe. Ooh, that'll be so cute. Glossy jar, brown sugar. She got 2, but as you can see, she left a note saying that she wants the brown sugar and unbothered. So that is nuts. There we go. So as you guys saw, this is one that she got. This one is in Snatched. She got this one, it's and brown sugar. Our glossy jars are just so pretty. Another peanuts in there, just so it won't move. Invoice, and then here is a thank you card. Thank you, girl. And then the best Darlene Luxe lipstick collection, and she got 1 quantity. Sisters not wasting no time, so she got number 19, and this is how it looks. She orders wholesale. She wants to imprint her logo. She could print it right here and on the packaging, and as you can see, the ingredients is imprinted on there, and this is cruelty free. As you can see, mostly all my products are cruelty free, so thank you, Darlene, for being a returning customer, girl. I might give you a special discount. Okay guys, that is all for the video. I'm about to go print out the shipping labels now. I don't know if that's interesting, but yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm waiting for most of my wholesale items to come in, so that's why I don't have a lot of orders to do like every day, because I'm still waiting for items to come. You get to start your own business with us for affordable price, like literally. You guys definitely can click the link in the description, or you can text this number right here and we'll help you out right away. Subscribe if you haven't, And yeah guys, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.